Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Just a note on how to memorize and memorize efficiently. So right now I'm actually memorizing the Sharh al-Jazariyah, the questions and answers on that, which me and my Shaykh made. So what I'm doing is I'm writing all of the questions and answers down, right, so that my brain is familiar with the content of what is the question and answer, right? Once you do that, okay, you finish this. Let's say we write down 50 questions, which is what I do. Like I've done one from 101 to 150. Okay. Then what you do is this. Okay, you get your phone or your, whatever you like, right? You get this phone, for example, and you go on your counter. Okay. So I have this with me, which is I use to make the questions right sufficiently, but you just need a counter now. Okay, so let's use the counter. Alright, now we have the counter up. Okay, so while we have the counter up, okay, what we're going to be doing is testing ourselves, right, with what the questions and answers are without even knowing what they are. Okay, and it doesn't matter if you know it or not, just test yourself on it and look at it when you are stuck. So we're going to start, and whenever you finish one question and answer, you will lap like this. Okay, so look, let's for example I'm going to look away now. I'm going to try and do this on my own. Okay, how does in between occur in ra? Inception of the tip of the tongue is strong and the sound flows through the small gap. Okay, that's one. Oh wait, I forgot to start tongue. Okay, that's one. Okay, then the next question: how does in between occur in noon and meme? The closing of the mouth is strong and the sound flows through the nasal cavity. This next question done. Okay, then what is the next question? How is in between in ayn? Okay, that is the epiglottis while it's moving backwards is flow of sound, and while it closes, that's the strength. Okay, then the next question. And like that, so and so. Okay, but I know these questions. Let's go to someone I don't know. I haven't practiced any at all. If we go to this one, I haven't practiced at all, and not at all. So okay, let's start here. How do you reach excellence in recitation of the Quran? By practicing. Okay, here it is. Alright, I forgot this second part. By practice from the expert's mouth. Okay, so then I will do it again. Okay, so now let's start again. How do you reach excellence in recitation? By practicing from the expert's mouth. Done. Okay, what's the next question? I don't know it. Alright, so I need to look. What's the ruling of reciting the Quran melody? Can shift pitch in every separate letter. Okay. So okay, then I'm gonna look away and do it again. So what's the ruling in okay, I forgot it. We'll look at it again. Okay. What's the ruling of reciting the Quran melody? Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna look away now. What's the ruling of reciting the Quran melodies with melody? You can shift the pitch in every other letter, every separate letter. Okay, and then you look at it again and you just correct it, right, like that. And you also take note of how much time it took. Okay, with that question, and you move on. Okay, and you keep testing yourself like this, and you get to the end of this, right? And then when you get to the end of it, you'll pause it and you see how much time elapsed to be able to get to this stage. So we have that much time. Let's say, just for example, just for use of example, let's say we took 1 minute and 49 seconds to get to the end. Okay, in reality it'll probably be 5 minutes. Okay, what you want to do then is repeat the whole process. So you restart it, you restart the clock. Okay, and you now restart and you start again from the beginning, and you try to get to the end in less time. Let's say it was 5 minutes before, when you get less than 5 minutes. And through this method, you do, for example, this will last you maybe 4 minutes this time, because you do it faster because you know some of the content, you've just gone through it. Then it will last you 3 minutes, might go to 2 minutes and a half, and that's good. And that's when you've mastered the content, and you've mastered the memorization of the pages or the questions. Okay, and what you don't want to do is you don't want to try and look at it and repeat it over and over and over and over again, Okay, because that will take a lot of time. That will take you hours. But for this method, it will take you maybe half an hour or less than that to memorize the whole of the how many questions you however many questions you're doing. Okay.